Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a Tjmaxx haul. So this is going to be kind of like a collective Tjmaxx haul. I didn't get all of this in one trip exactly, but like maybe 3 trips or something like that. I was planning on doing a Tjmaxx shop with me, and I just got really anxious trying to do it alone. And it kind of turned out to be a fail, but I will insert some footage here that shows you that I did attempt to do it. It just wasn't long enough to be its own video. I was trying to get over my being shy on camera, but it's not really working. They have the Bobbi Brown Pro Face Palette, and this one's going for $69 on clearance. They also have the Too Faced Cocoa Contour. I've seen this a few times here. This is going for $20. And then they also have the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, which is going for $24.99. They have a few NYX palettes over here. I'm not really a big fan of NYX, but they do have these for $7.99. I haven't seen the palette from Becca I've been wanting yet, but... And then I do have a few of these like Profusion contour palettes, which are really cute, and they're going for $7.99 as well. So my Tjmaxx doesn't seem to have like the selection that everyone else does, but they do have this Laura Geller London in Bloom set on clearance for $10 right now. It looks really pretty. I like that bronzer. They also do have the Estee Lauder Travel Essential Night Repair Masks on clearance for $29. And then I saw another Laura Geller set back here. Yeah, the Bronze and Glow set. I'm not sure how much that one is, but everything's falling. But next time I will try to take someone with me so I don't feel as awkward doing it. So I did want to show you guys what I have got recently from them and let you guys know about it. Most of this stuff is like makeup or skincare, but there are 3 items that I did want to share with you guys that aren't related to that. So I'm going to go ahead and get those out of the way first. First is this beautiful, beautiful pair of shoes right here. These are some snakeskin heels. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera, but they're so cute. They have like the pointed toe, they have the cutout here, and they are just beautiful. Look at them. Yes. These are from the brand White House Black Market. I'm not sure if you guys have heard of them. They're kind of like a, I guess like businessy, like dressier store. I don't really know. I don't know, I don't shop there. But I know that their shoes are expensive because I've been in there a few times and they're like $99 or something crazy like that. But at Tjmaxx, I did get these on clearance for $20, which I thought was crazy. And I am obsessed with snakeskin print recently. So, of course, I had to get them, and I love them. I've already worn them and they're my favorite things ever, so. And then, of course, we all know that Tjmaxx does sell like designer stuff for cheaper, so I did get a Michael Kors purse. I've had my eye on this like style of purse for a while. It's just like the one that's like the crossbody with the cute little chain part here, and then it's like the rectangle shape. So mine does have gold hardware, and it is a like pink color. It's like the pale pink, like a blush kind of color. I'm not sure what the exact name is, but I did purchase this one, and I think these are like $180 on his website, but at Tjmaxx I did get mine for $79. And like I said, I have had my eye on like a style like this for a long time. I did want to get black, but I already have 2 other black purses, and I kind of wanted to spice it up a little bit because I don't have a purse this color. So I did purchase this one. And then I needed a new wallet to go with it. They didn't have the same color as the purse here, and I couldn't find, actually my Tjmaxx didn't have any Michael Kors wallets, but it didn't really matter to me. It didn't have to be a Michael Kors wallet. But my sister did find this one, and then I ended up loving it. This is a snakeskin wallet, so I thought it looked kind of cute with the pink, and since I couldn't find one that matched exactly, I thought that was kind of cute together, right? Like snakeskin and pink. I thought it was cute anyway. But again, yes, I have been completely obsessed with snakeskin. There's actually a snakeskin purse on Casey Holmes's website on her Rosy Days boutique. That's a snakeskin purse that I want so bad, but it's been sold out ever since she put it out, so. But anyway, here's this wallet right here. So this is from the brand BCB Generation. Maybe it's BCBG. Really cute. It does also have the gold hardware on it as well, and it does come with a like wristlet strap. So if you don't want to carry a purse and you just wanted to carry your wallet, you could carry it like this. This was $9.99, which I thought was a steal. Like, it's so cute, and not that I've ever really heard of this brand,
but it was only $9.99, so I thought that was a great deal and it looked really cute in my purse. So I thought this was really cool. I have seen a bunch of Japanesque brushes at TJ Maxx recently, so of course I had to pick them up. This one first, I did take it out and use it already, but this is the Japanesque High Density Foundation, the small version of it, so I have it right here. If you can see, it's kind of like a triangle like shape, but it is like flat on top, and it's just a smaller version of the brush. I have been wanting the bigger version of this because I feel like it would get your face done faster, but I did use it, and I thought, I mean, it worked really well, and it actually didn't take as long as I thought it would. And this at TJ Maxx was running for $3.99. Pretty sure this brush is $10 normally. Don't quote me on that, but I'm pretty sure it's $10. I know that the bigger size of it is like $16.99, so, and I'm not gonna pay that much. But I thought it was awesome that I could find this one for $3.99. And then I did end up getting 2 more Japanesque brushes. I did get this one, which is the stippling brush, and I haven't taken it out of the package yet. But this was also $3.99, and it's just like a big stippling brush. I do already have a stippling brush, but it's from a collection from Sonia Kashuk that is no longer available. And I know that these are still available, so I decided to get one that, like, so when I'm using brushes in videos that you guys can still get them. And then lastly, I found this one, which I was so excited for because this is the like Japanesque dupe of a NARS brush that they have. I don't remember the name of the NARS brush, but I know it is one. This is the Japanesque Powder Kumadori collection, and this was $4.99 because it's like a fancier brush. But as you can see, it's like really fluffy on top and black, and then it has that like spiral black like handle. I don't know. I know that this is like a dupe of a NARS one. I just can't remember which one. But I thought that was awesome to find that at TJ Maxx, and for only $4.99, of course I had to buy it. So some skincare stuff that I did find at TJ Maxx. This was just a little bit here, but I did find this. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Water Essence. This is something that I have been this is something that I've been enjoying in my makeup, in my skincare collection recently, and they had this for only $3.99, which I thought was a steal because at Target when I last got it, it was $10. But I have mine here, like this is the one I've already been using, and I am definitely more than halfway done with this, almost completely done, and I really have been enjoying it. I'm not sure if it really makes a difference on my face. I don't know. But I also haven't been using it for a while because I've been trying out something else to see if it was making a difference. But I definitely did think for picking it up for $3.99, that was such a steal, like I couldn't let it go. And then I did get these. These are the My Spa Life Radiant Under Eye Treatments. It's their Diamond Collagen collection. So these are like under eye pads. I've never heard of this brand before, but I did see these at TJ Maxx, and I know that I like some of these like under eye things that are just really hydrating, and I don't know, these ones were kind of cute. They were only $2.99 for 6 of these. So as you can see here, they're like little eye gel pads, and they have like sparkles on them, which of course I thought was precious because I like sparkles. So I did get these. I have used one of them already, and I remember it being like so relaxing. So I'm gonna have to do that again soon because that was just such a relaxing night. Then I did find this. This was the First Aid Beauty, which first of all, my TJ Maxx have had a lot of First Aid Beauty stuff. So if you have been looking for any of that stuff, I would go check TJ Maxx out because they have tons. But this is the First Aid Beauty Detox Eye Roller. It's supposed to correct under eye puffiness, dark circles, and fine lines, and it's safe for sensitive skin. I had never really heard of this before, but I looked it up on Sephora before buying it, and it had really good reviews. And this was only $9.99, which I think it retailed for $24. So I thought that was a pretty good deal. I have been using it recently, and I don't know, it kind of like stings a little bit, but like, I don't know if that's really bad. Maybe I should look into that more. But I did find this, and they had a lot of other products there too. Speaking of like this one, this is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream, the Intense Hydration Skin Protectant with Fab Antioxidant Boosters. And they had a ton of these at my TJ Maxx, and these are going for $6.99 a piece. So I bought my sister 3 and I bought myself 1, and I don't know, it's really nice. I don't have like super dry skin, but I get really dry patches on my chin sometimes because I do break out there, and whenever I do break out, I just put a little bit of this on, and it's so nice and refreshing. I think these were at TJ Maxx because they have like Christmas packaging, and it's no longer Christmas, but it's not even that bad of a Christmas packaging, but whatever. It was $6.99 and I thought that was awesome. The next things I found at TJ Maxx were really exciting to me, at least. I've been finding a lot of Buxom stuff recently, and so of course I had to get them. I threw away the package that this was in, but I remember this was going for $4.99, so it was a Buxom lip liner and then a Buxom full-on lip cream like mini. So here's the lip liner, and this one is in the shade Hush Hush, which is really pretty. And then it came with the full-on lip cream, like little mini, in the shade Hot Toddy. And these are just so pretty. And I absolutely love the Buxom full-on lip creams. They are so nice, and they just feel so incredible. My favorite is White Russian. And then I did end up getting another Buxom lip liner, so this one was just by itself, and this is the shade Espionage, and this was going for $2.99, you guys. These are like $22 at Ulta, and so of course I had to buy this because $2.99. And it's a beautiful color itself. It is kind of like a wine color, so I liked it. And then what was really exciting was this. I found these two Buxom full-on lip creams in the full size. These were each $4.99. Let me just say that one more time. They were $4.99. Are you kidding me? Like, incredible. So I did get mine in the shade Gin Fizz, which is kind of just like a white color. So it's just kind of like a clear gloss when you put it on. It looks kind of like yellowy in the tube, but it doesn't come off like that on my lips at least. And then I did get the shade Bellini, which is this incredibly beautiful peachy, like perfect corally peachy beautiful shade, and I just love this one too. Okay, and then the last thing that I did find was something that I thought was really awesome. So my TJ Maxx has been having a lot of Becca stuff recently, which I have been on the hunt for the Becca Chrissy Teigen palette because apparently they're selling it for like $12.99, which is crazy, and I want it. But they had this Becca and Chrissy Teigen Endless Summer Glow collection. This is the Glow Gloss, and this is in the shade Beach Bum, and they were selling it for $7.99, which I know Becca's lip products aren't, I think they're like 20, maybe I'm wrong, 25, something like that, but this gloss is just like the perfect nude color ever, and it's incredible. Oh, I've already used a lot. I have used this a few times, and I love it. And this gloss formula is really nice. It's not like super sticky. It's not like super goopy on my lips or anything. And it wore incredibly beautiful throughout the day, and I love this. I need to find more because this is like my favorite gloss shade ever. Alright guys, so that is everything for my collective TJ Maxx haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know down below if you would like me to do a shop with me. I'm really anxious about doing one, but I will definitely take someone with me to do it so that I don't feel as awkward. But let me know down below if you'd like to see that. Also, let me know what you guys have gotten recently from TJ Maxx. Let me know if I need to go shop there more because I always like to find an excuse to do so. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Leave me any suggestions down below that you'd like to see from me, and I hope you guys are having a blessed day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you guys in my next video.